Here is the restaurant. There's just one restaurant on board. Scan your cards when you enter. And breakfast and lunch are buffet and free seating. You just plop yourself down, sit wherever you want. Gigantic buffet, as you can see out there. Here are the prices if you have not taken all-inclusive. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The buffet line has died down, so I'm going to video just one part of the lunch. Start with the hot food. That's chicken, pasta salad, more pasta, potatoes, stew, and pork. Roast potatoes, vegetarian vegetables, naturally. It's a little decimated now, but I didn't want to do it when it was so crowded. Potato salad. Steve and I are making ourselves crazy with the mussels. We're on our second plate of mussels. Marinated tomatoes. 9 million condiment seeds. Cauliflower salad. Beet salad. Lentil salad. More salads and looks like a quiche with pesto. Moving along. We are not done. Smoked salmon. Fresh halibut. Are you getting tired of listening to me talk? Of course, more condiments and strong mustard, light mustard. Mackerel is big. I have never cultivated it. It tastes from mackerel. There's cheese at every meal, breakfast and lunch. A different kind of potato salad. Gorgeous roast beef, just the way I like it. Egg salad, beet salad, different sauces. Remoulade sauce. Ooh, cured ham of lamb. Turkey, more salad ingredients, vegetable soup today. Nothing to look at. The best of the desserts that I saw was not overwhelming. Now you saw what we had for breakfast. This is just a small sampler of what we're doing for lunch. Not that anybody is hungry, but it's almost impossible to resist. The beet salad is delicious. The halibut is excellent. It's in thin little slices, almost like a sushi. Liked everything that I took for lunch. Even though I just finished eating not even 3 hours ago, it's time to stuff more food down my gullet. And here we have some Dasher or Dancer. You know, if there wasn't a sign that said reindeer, you would not know what you're eating. It tastes like just any other meat. Pork, love the beet salad, and a crepe with something inside it. That's what's inside, probably cream. And here is Steve's very light dietary lunch, along with a gigantic bowl of chocolate ice cream.